Hi, and so today we're going to talk a little bit about the new quantum supremacy experiment that's making sort of big headlines at the moment. So you might have heard in the news that there's a Chinese group at the University of Science and Technology, China, who have done a new quantum supremacy experiment. So quantum supremacy means that basically there's some kind of quantum process or computation that you can do faster on a quantum system rather than a classical computer. So they've got this pretty amazing kind of pictures of the setup here, and you've seen sort of amazing kind of headlines like, you know, China achieves quantum supremacy, major computing breakthrough. Physicists in China challenge Google's quantum advantage. So, of course, what that is talking about is Google's result from last year. Last year, was it? 2018?
Yeah.
And things like quantum computer that measures light has achieved quantum supremacy. But interestingly, so there's sort of many kind of strange types of videos that have been emerging sort of on the internet, which has been going all over my Facebook stream. And some of them are really quite bizarre. And here is one that I sort of found particularly strange. So I thought that we would just sort of go through this video and kind of comment on it and see which ones are actually accurate and not. So, okay? All right, here we go. So I already have some issues here, right? Because it's not a quantum computer, right? And they've got those pictures of like what looks like, you know, CPUs in the background. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this one, is that true? What do you think?
Well, you have to be more specific on what task can be faster. It's not like all the things you can do is faster.
So by the way, Junheng is actually an expert in this particular field. We are actually collaborating with the very same group right now. So we're not just like guys off the street, just in case you're wondering. Okay. When did it become called Jiujiang?
In the paper, no?
Oh, really? Okay.
I don't know, but I think it's called Jiujiang in the news.
Ah, in the
At
news.
least,
Okay, clearly I
didn't
actually read the paper.
Day that they published the paper.
I see.
What do they mean by faster?
Yeah. Well, yeah, exactly. That's getting. Notation. Yeah. Well, it's like not pointy.
It's internally triggers.
Exactly. Yeah. It really does. Yeah. It didn't calculate anything, right?
Well, I mean, the only thing they can do actually for the computer.
Yes. I mean, if you have something that can only calculate one thing, is it a computer?
And you call it a test?
Is this a computer?
Yeah.
Well, you can think it is.
Yeah. So, I don't know. I think this is already a little bit There's all kinds of things that are lists of numbers.
Well, that's not wrong.
Yeah. Is it? I don't.
Number of photons detected.
Number.
What?
Success.
is measured in
So
terms
what?
of
Like more photons, the better? No.
Or less photons are better?
Less photons. Yeah. I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah. I don't think success is measured by a number of
I
photons.
think the problem with the previous sentence, actually, it's not just the list of numbers, it should be the proper distribution, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a probability distribution that you're trying to get. Yeah. Maximum of 76. I mean, it's like.
Well, I mean, this
Yeah.
the statement is like saying that the detection of like this high number of quantum is the success achieved, but it's not really, because
So-
it's the.
Then how does that really compare with Google's own? Does Google detect more or less?
Wait, they said it's faster.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So
faster.
What is it comparing? Is this just in detecting photons or what?
Well, I don't think it's comparable actually.
Yeah, I know you can't just.
But they did
can't really-
compare.
But they did compare it, right?
Yeah.
The video says-
Maybe they compare separately with the classical simulation, and then I don't know. But usually you don't do that, no, because it's different tasks.
Yeah.
I think they should do the same task and check their time for comparison's
Yes.
sake.
Well, yeah, but we're comparing how much faster, right? So they're doing different tasks. So
Okay, so suppose Usain Bolt runs 100 meters race, and some other guy in some
Yeah.
way decides to
5 books per week.
How can you really compare the two?
Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. We'll keep going. So do you know how, like, 200 seconds for what? They repeated the many experiments many times
Yes.
in order to get enough samples to obtain the probability distribution. Is
And I
that?
was wondering
Yeah.
that if it's like 200 seconds for only one detection of the 76.
That's some pretty slow photons. If that's
Yeah. If for one detection, you cannot really say that
Yeah.
it's the probability distribution out of
Yeah.
just one detection.
Right.
But I'm not sure that what they mean
Isn't the
by
time-
200 seconds actually.
Maybe it's the time taken to perform the 76 photon detection.
I mean, I assume it's like how many times they have to repeat it, and then
Oh,
they get statistics, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But oh well. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, so it's not just the Chinese computer. I mean, I think that you don't need that Chinese word in that sentence there. I mean, any fast computer, right? Yeah. Nice HTML. Yes, a particular type of task.
Yeah, particular type of task, HTML.
Div boxes, yeah. This is not relevant for this one because they're photons and you're not cooling anything, right? So I don't know. Atmospheric pressure. What?
That's for the Google case as well, I think. No?
I think they mean
I don't know.
vacuum
From
chamber
noise.
or something like
They
that.
mean a vacuum chamber?
I think so. I think that's what they might be referring to.
Okay.
But the photonics is not under vacuum, right?
There's no vacuum in a photonic system.
So,
Yeah. And there's nothing that you have to worry about magnetic fields.
Yes.
So I don't know what the I think you're being a little bit too nice to me. Yeah, but you can't load that information in it, so this is the quantum machine. Shares video. Okay, well. Thank you, Google. Right, so yeah, I don't know. I think there's a lot of misinformation there, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
But
But design was nice.
yeah, nice
Very
music. Yeah.
Cyberpunk style.
Yeah,
with,
cool.
colors.
Cool music. Yeah. Okay, well, that's it, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Like and subscribe.
All right.